Hey technology consumer, today we're diving into the world of beard trimmers, every guy's essential grooming tool. We've got the Philips OneBlade 360 Pro, Panasonic Multishape, Manscaped The Beard Hedger, and the Braun Series 7 Multi Grooming Kit lined up. Let's jump into the details. Philips OneBlade 360 Pro. This trimmer from Philips is a game changer in shaving tech. Whether it's facial hair or body grooming, this one does it all. It features a super fast blade moving at 200 times per second, making it efficient even on longer hairs. With 14 adjustable length settings ranging from 0.4 mm to 10 mm, you can easily get the exact style you want, from a subtle shadow to a fuller beard. The durable OneBlade only needs replacing every 4 months, so maintenance is a breeze. Plus, the digital LED display and travel lock make it perfect for on-the-go use. Panasonic Multishape. The Panasonic Multishape is a true all-rounder. You can groom your beard, hair, and even body with this versatile kit. It offers 58 length settings with its precise trimmer head and quick adjust dial, giving you total control over your look. Being fully waterproof, you can use it in the shower and easily clean it afterward. And with a powerful Li-ion battery, you don't have to worry about frequent charging. Manscaped The Beard Hedger. Manscaped's Beard Hedger is all about precision, with 20 length settings that let you nail any style, from a heavy stubble to a lumberjack beard. The angled blades make it super easy to get a smooth, even cut in just one pass. With a 7,200 RPM motor and waterproof design, it's ready to go wherever you are, even in the shower. It also comes with a USB-C charger and a travel case, making it super convenient to take with you. Braun Series 7 Multi Grooming Kit. Finally, the Braun Series 7 is a multitasking powerhouse. It's not just a beard trimmer. It also shaves, trims, epilates, and even gives you a facial massage with its interchangeable heads. The fully flexible head adapts to every contour, making it great for tricky areas. And since it's 100% waterproof, you can use it in the shower, making the whole process even smoother. Plus, it gives you salon-like results that last for weeks. If keeping your beard in check is a top priority, one of these tools is definitely worth considering. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.